So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Shrutika and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of Basil Serenity Charholi, which is located near Budruk Charholi, Pune and developed by Basil Developers. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, cafeteria, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before checking out the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में। Basil Serenity Charholi will be constructed on 0.51 acres of land parcel consisting of one tower. Tower will be having basement plus ground plus 14 floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. And now let's check out the surrounding and the connectivity of the project. As you can see, I am here in front of the location. आप देख सकते हैं मेरे बैक एंड साइड में रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और उसी के साथ में दिख जाएगा इनका टावर। Coming to the location part, project is just located near Tanishq Orchid, Charholi, Pune. और ये जो रोड जाते हुए आप देख रहे हैं डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करता है चरहोड़ी रोड से। Coming to the connectivity part, तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है अलांदी रोड within 350 meters, Reliance Smart within 2.2 kilometer and also PMPL Alandi bus stand within 2.9 km. Coming to the amenities part of the project has luxurious amenities like landscape gardens, jogging track, kids play area, senior sit out area, yoga zone and many more. And now moving forward towards the cafeteria of the project, Basil Serenity has 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences, in which 2 BHK starting from 680 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 888 to 897 square feet cafeteria. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of Basil Serenity Charholi, which is located near Budruk Charholi, Pune and developed by Basil Developers. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.